In this video, I'll talk about how you can log in to a YouTube TV account. The first step and what you need to do is head over to tv.youtube.com, and this will take you to the YouTube TV website. In here, simply press on the sign in button and you'll be able to log in. Now keep in mind, login is with a Google account, so sign in with your Google account and then you'll be able to buy the subscription, or if you already have the subscription, you'll be on your account. So that is basically how it works. All you have to do is head over to tv.youtube.com, and from in there you can sign in up here on the desktop. If you're using a mobile device, just go to the App Store and download YouTube TV app, and from in there you can just sign in. Now that's basically how it works. If you're on a smart TV, you can also go and download the YouTube TV app from the App Store on the smart TV, or you can open the browser from the smart TV if it has the browser and just type in tv.youtube.com. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.